Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to teach you how to make some magnets out of these succulent napkins. These napkins are a part of my napkin club called Pretty Posh Palette, and so look in the description and you can find the link to join that. It's an amazing club. You get amazing napkins every month and I show you how to create with them. So we are going to create magnets and we're going to use a few of the succulent images on this napkin. Now that I have one section cut off, I am going to peel away the layers. This was a 2-ply napkin, so we only had one layer to peel. These are little wooden circles that I actually got from Michael's, but they also carry them at Hobby Lobby and on Amazon. I am simply painting my circles a really neutral color. This was kind of a taupe beige gray color that I just wanted it to be really neutral. You can add a lot of color and a lot of pop just with your paint, and it's going to show behind your image. Once all of your pieces are dry, we're going to go to the next step of adding on the napkin cutouts that we are going to create now. In order to create the cutouts, the way I do it, I like the torn edge, and so we're going to take a really fine paintbrush and dip it in water and outline the image that we want on our napkin. This is going to create a torn edge look. If you do not like this look, you can definitely cut it out with scissors and you'll have a really crisp line. If you get too much water on your paintbrush and it just saturates the napkin a little bit too much and tears your image, you can take a heat gun or a blow dryer and it will blow dry really, really fast. Once you have all your images cut out, we are going to Mod Podge them onto each of our circles. You're going to want to put the center of the napkin down first and then press out from the center, and that is going to keep it from bubbling. That is very important, and then you're going to cover the entire top with Mod Podge as well to seal it. Next, we're just using some magnets that I got from Hobby Lobby that already have adhesive on the back. If the adhesive is not strong enough, you can hot glue these on as well. Now we're going to fancy them up. I love diamond dust. It is a little bit fancier than glitter and I just absolutely love it. You're going to put a layer of Mod Podge on each of your magnets and just sprinkle the diamond dust onto it. You can tell that I have a little piece of paper that I'm actually pressing on top of it when the diamond dust is on, and that's just getting it to adhere to the Mod Podge a little bit more, and then I shake off the excess. This really only needs one layer of diamond dust because it is quite a bit thicker than glitter. Check out the shine and glitter on these. These would be great to give as gifts to someone who loves succulents or to create for yourself. If you love this DIY and like all things creative, please visit theruffleddaisy.org for more inspiration. Thank you so much for watching today.